Good day from the office of the mob. Justice football. The office is back. The office is back. The advocate is back. And we are pushing Orlando Pirates' agenda today, tomorrow, and forever. Okay, the much anticipated fixture between Orlando Pirates Football Club and Polokwane City, it has been confirmed that it is sold out. No more tickets available. So Esgodini, it's fully packed. Okay, as the advocate, I was having a request. I don't know if it will be approved, but as the office, we are trying by all means so that it get approved. We are saying with all the job work that we have done, with all the preparation that we have done, how about we take this game to FNB? How about we take this game to FNB so that we can be able to see the youngest promising player of Nedbank Cup? How about we take this game to FNB so that we see the goalkeeper of the season in action tomorrow? Okay. How about we take this game to FNB so that we see the defender of the season, whom is our new captain? How about that? How about that? How about that? How about we go and see Bodlela at FNB because this capacity at its end, it cannot contain the mighty Buccaneers. How about we take this game so that we can be able to go and see the midfield of the season? New signings. How about we go and cheer Sipho Mule there at FNB? But nonetheless, we are at Esgodini. Tomorrow, 3 o'clock. The agenda is the agenda of MTN 8. I think I'm not going to dwell too much onto that one. All of us, we know the criteria. What does it take for you to qualify for MTN 8? Not through front door, not from the back door, but you must be within 8 best team in the country. Yes? Tomorrow, we are meeting at Esgodini. Advocate loves you. Advocate will be there. Unfortunately, I only have one ticket. But, Bob, Dodemnyama, Bob, once and always.